After you deploy or import a switch with AmpCon-Campus, you can manage the configurations on the AmpCon-Campus platform easily. In this video, we will demonstrate how to push configurations to the switch, manage configurations, backup and restore configurations for disaster recovery, or compare configurations for troubleshooting or auditing. In the Push Config tab, select a folder, and then click Add Node to enter the node name description. And then you can add configurations by entering the configurations manually. You can also use the configuration templates that you created before to add configuration. Click Generate Config. Select a configuration template file from the drop-down list. Click Next and enter the value for each variable. Click Save. To apply configurations, you can select specific switches in the Config Switch tab. And you can also select a group in the Config Group tab to push the config. On the Config Files Views page, you can locate the global configuration file and then click View to see a pop-up window with detailed configurations. To edit the configurations, click Edit, Modify Configurations, and then click Save. Click Associated, and you can see the switches that are associated with the configuration file. Locate the configuration file and click Delete, then confirm by clicking Yes. In the Push Config tab of the Config Template page, click the node that you want to view. Each node represents a general configuration file. To edit a general configuration file, click Edit, Modify Configurations, and then click Save. In the Push Config tab, click the node you want to delete, then click Delete Node and confirm by clicking Yes. To back up configurations for a single switch, in the Config Backup tab, locate a switch and then click Backup Config. You can click Snapshot List to check the backup file in the snapshot list and see the configuration details by clicking Snapshot. To back up configurations for a group of switches, in the Config Backup tab, select the group and then click Backup Config. To back up configurations automatically, you can set the backup interval and time in the Config Backup tab. Then AmpCon-Campus will automatically back up configurations at a specific interval. To restore configurations based on a backup configuration file, you can locate a switch and then click Snapshot List to find the configuration to roll back, and then click Rollback Config. Set the wait time in seconds, then click Save. To compare running configurations or backup configurations, click Config Template. In the first SN field, click Select to choose a switch for comparison and select the configurations in the Select Config drop-down. Click Select to choose another switch. Select a config file from the second Select Config drop-down. Then the configuration differences will then be displayed. To compare running and initial configurations on the same switch, click the SN field to select the switch, then choose the global configuration file and the template used during initial deployment. From the Running Config drop-down, select Set Format or All Set Format. The differences will then be displayed. You can visit fs.com to get more information about